Okay, my name's Jeremiah Karni. I'm a product specialist at Adamson Systems Engineering, and today I'm going to talk you through some of the new updates that we've done to the Fletcher machine. So we're looking at the remote here, which is where you'll see most of the changes that we've added. Certain things like we've now added in our mixer section the ability to do binaural rendering. So if you are doing a mix at home on the virtual Fletcher machine, you can do your mix in your headphones now. And we have the ability to add the headphone tracking unit alongside that, so you can practice mixing in quite new spaces. Some of the other features that we've added are in our setup tools now. We have the ability to not just have our generator for testing our speakers, but when you are tuning your subs, we now have the ability to have a synth engine, so you can listen to notes and see what note and what frequency you're looking at, so you can really fine-tune how your system's going to sound that way. A lot of the features that we've added now are with our trajectory engine and our snapshot engine. With our snapshots now, we've changed them so they're recallable also by timecode. In this instance, I actually have some OSC snapshot recall happening just through TouchOSC. Another one of the big updates that we've done in version 2 is our reverb engine. For the stage unit, we now have the ability to do up to 3 reverbs. Up in the top here, you can see we've got 1 reverb, 2 reverbs, or 3 reverbs. The 2 reverbs, I have the combination of 1 2-dimensional reverb and 1 1-dimensional reverb for frontal systems. I can go all the way up to 3 1-dimensional reverbs if I want to now. We've improved a lot of our preference menus now. So along with our rendering here, you can also see we've got OSC, more integration now, so we do have a Digico control plugin that you can now connect through this page here. We've brought forward the timecode settings, so you can either send or receive timecode natively from within the Fletcher machine, so you can synchronize with the rest of the show. So these are just some of the new features that we've added to Fletcher version 2. We do encourage you to download it from our website. We've got both the remote, which is free to download, as well as the virtual Fletcher machine plugin that will work on any hardware. So you can start to practice your immersive and spatial audio mixes from home.